Hi guys, I'm here to share with you three interesting website you should know. First website I have fakeyou.com, means a text to speech. Use fakeyou deep and text to say stuff with your favorite character. And just you can choose the music, cartoons, games, internet famous, and the movies and musicians. Going to choose this and pop music is there as options. I choose this and I wrote here, hi, I'm Ali and welcome to now YouTube channel. There's the information, so let's click on this speech. Yes, here, and we can
I'm
you can
alive.
listen.
Welcome to another YouTube channel. Out to share the varieties about websites, tips, information.
Like this. Okay, the second website I have Flow and flowcv.io, and how you can create. There's a content and a profile. You can change the font and like the setting. You can arrange setting of your CV and the design. Here is the design options, and then you can photo how they look like. Okay, medium, large, there is a setting. And this borders formatting. If you want to add language as like this. Yes, the language is added. And this professional skills profiles you can add, and you can download. Just you add your email and create the account and download your CV like this. And third website I have earth 2050 earth, and just you write here, Shanghai is upcoming, is 2050s, like 2040, 2030, 2050. Just have a look. 2050 they look like is a 360. You can see the 360 of Shanghai. This is Shanghai, and there is a drone and this kind of technology and will be there like this. And also there is predictions, art, like you can find is any area and search on media and information, high income classes, and so many options is there. You can explore this website.